far as the officer level is concerned, where I'll focus, one stream is through the NDA, and NDA is after 10+2. So there, whether it is the executive branch or the engineering electrical, everyone can join through the NDA. The other branch is for the engineers. Now there also, through the UPSC, they conduct the examination, and if you are selected, then we have a academy at Azimala, and then you go through the engineering. Navy only makes you do the engineering, and then thereafter you join. So these are the two basic branches, basic routes for joining the Indian Navy. And then you have a short service commission. Short service commission is for about 15 years or so, and then thereafter, for some of them, if the vacancies permit that time, they still pick up some officers. Otherwise, you can come out then after doing your 15 years. And then 15 years, Navy has given you so much exposure, you get easily a job outside. That's it.